To delete a Substack post, follow these steps. Log into Substack. Visit Substack and log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to your dashboard. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Select the post to delete. On the dashboard, you will see a list of all your posts. Locate the post you want to delete and click on it to open the post editor. Delete the post. Inside the post editor, look for the Options button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Options and select Delete Post from the drop-down menu. Confirm deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the post. Confirm by selecting Delete. Post deletion. Once confirmed, the post will be permanently deleted from your Substack publication. Readers will no longer be able to access or view the post. Check the trash bin. Deleted posts are not recoverable unless restored from the trash bin within a limited time frame. To check the trash bin, go to the Manage Posts section in your dashboard, where deleted posts may be kept temporarily.